Small Bros here, and we're unboxing the Puppet Parade of Kobeni from Chainsaw Man, so let's get into it. Yeah, I can, the good thing about this one, so far I can see, is it got a small, it has a small base, so that is a pretty good thing. Yeah, I think we have one, I can't remember her name, Hina May, whatever, the ghost girl. That's like, yeah, that's the last one we have coming. Didn't pre-order Aki. I thought he didn't look too good on the promo pictures, what I call him.
I'm not buying that one ever.
Yep, I didn't like how
I like Aki, but I don't like that statue.
looks good. Face looks on point. And we got the face right here, which is small, so I can get feet on it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys next time.